Now we are discussing about agricultural options in that olive oil making. Next point is how do you make olive oil? To make olive oil, start crushing the olives into a paste with a meat tenderizer next. Mix the paste with hot water and grind it with an immersion of blender until you see beads of oil rising to the surface. Then vigorously stir the paste with a spoon for at least 5 minutes until larger beads of oil form. And next point is can you produce olive oil at home? Commercially produced olive oil requires large customized equipment, but with a few investments, making oil at home is possible. There are a couple of ways of going about making oil from olives at home, but the basics of extracting olive oil remain the same. And next point is how much olive oil from 1 kg of olives. 1 kg of olives to produce approximately 70 ml of olive oil, so that only it is costliest. Next point is what are the 4 types of olive oil. The types of olive oil is extra virgin oil, it is the best quality olive oil, and virgin olive oil, that is, it is unrefined form of olive oil extracting using the cold pressing technique. And next is pure olive oil. Pure olive oil is created by mixing either extra virgin or virgin oil with the refined one. And next point is refined olive oil. Next is olive oil, pomace oil, olive pomace oil. These are the 4 types of olive oil details. And next point is how olive oil is made in India. Olive oil production in India is concentrated in the state of Rajasthan. Olives are not native to India. Olive production in the country began in 2007 when olive saplings were imported from Israel and planted in the Thar desert. And next point is which country is the largest producer of olive oil? Spain country. That is the significance of the word. So that is the blessing of the God also. So for every country will be blessed in a specific sources of production. That is the grace of God, grace and the greatness of God. So currently, which country is the largest producer of olive oil? Spain. Spain is the world's largest producer, manufacturing almost half of the world's olive oil. It is very great. Half of the world's olive oil will produce from Spain. Other large producers are Italy, Greece, Tunisia, Turkey, and Morocco. And next point is what is the main ingredient in olive oil? The main chemical composition of olive oil is composed of fatty acid glycerides and non-glycerides. Glycerolipids are primarily from saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, and heptadecenoic acid. And next point is what are the basic ingredients of olive oil? Olive oil is composed mainly of triacyl glycerols, that is triacyl glycerols. Glycerides are fats and contains small quantities of free fatty acids, glycerol, phosphatides, pigments, flavor compounds, sterols, and microscopic beads of olive. And the next point is how long does homemade olive oil last? As a natural product, olive oil doesn't improve with time, so it is best used within a year. A freshly harvested olive oil could last up to 18 months without losing its sensory characteristics. Store olive oil in an airtight bottle or container away from light and heat to maintain freshness. And next point is olive oil made from 10% olives. Extra virgin oil is made from pure cold pressed olives, whereas regular olive oil is a blend including both cold pressed and processed oils. EVO, that is EVGOO, is made by grinding olives. EVO is made by grinding olives into a paste. then pressing them to extract the oil. How many olives does it take to make a liter of olive oil? Between 4 and 5 kilos of olives are needed to produce 1 liter of olive oil. The tree's age only affects and quantity produced, not the quality. An olive tree starts to produce between the ages of 5 and 10, and its production starts to decline after it is 100 years old. And next point is, what is the purest form of olive oil? Extra virgin oil is the purest form of olive oil and therefore the most nutrient rich, substituting 2 tablespoons of extra virgin oil per day for saturated fats such as animal and dairy fats will improve your health inside and out. And next point is, how is high quality olive oil made? Extra virgin oils are produced from the first pressing, which is performed within 24 to 72 hours of harvesting. Mechanical or hand pressing are the only methods used to obtain extra virgin olive oil. No heat or chemical processes are used. And next point is olive oil synthetic or natural? Olive oil is simply the juice extracted from fresh olives. No chemicals, heat or further processing. What makes olive oil extra virgin? What makes olive oil is extra virgin? Olive oil is classified as extra virgin when the oil is extracted during the first pressing of olives. Regular olive oil is made from a blend of processed oils. That makes that one of the key distinctions between EVU and regular olive oil is the absence of processed chemicals. And next point is, which olive oil is good for heart? Healthy cooking oils: canola, corn, olive oil, peanut, nut, safflower, soya bean, and sunflower. Which oil is good for heart? Heart means canola, corn, olive, peanut, safflower, that is safflower, and soya bean and sunflower. These are the good for heart. And does olive oil, next point is, does olive oil lower BP? Both experimental and human studies agree in showing anti-hypertensive effects of olive oil. So it is anti-hypertensive, that means it is best for BP patients also. So this is the information regarding olive oil. Olive oil is mostly used and almost all are, it is safety and healthy to human beings to use olive oil. So it is costliest and as well as and good for health also. Wishing you all the best.